various city, active, travel, and work collections, Air makes a total of 10 different backpacks, so it's safe to say that they're well versed in what's required of the category. Accordingly, no matter if you're a passionate fitness fanatic or a jet-setting globetrotter, chances are pretty good that the San Francisco-based bag maker has a pack that's perfect for you. But here's the thing, though you could, in theory, use options like the Fit Pack or the Tech Pack as your daily carry companion, they're a bit overbuilt for what most people need. For this reason, Air introduced the City Pack as a much more manageable, streamlined alternative. Let's dive in to see how it performs. There's very little branding to be found around the outside of the City Pack, but it's nevertheless instantly recognizable as an Air silhouette. If anything, in fact, the bag is even more Air than some of the brand's other offerings. With its simple, uncluttered face and beefy Duraflex fasteners, the City Pack possesses a characteristic minimalism about it that reaffirms Air's trademark aesthetic. This is also partly due to the bag's rather compact footprint. Clocking in at 18 inches long by 12 inches wide by 5 inches deep, it's just the right size for bringing along your carry without being burdensome to wear. Consequently, the City Pack is a bit Spartan insofar as total storage capacity is concerned, just 14 liters. However, that's because it's designed to haul your daily necessities, things like laptops, jackets, books, and office supplies, not double as your weekender bag. And here's the thing. Because of its smaller size and no-nonsense design, the City Pack will work for a variety of EDC enthusiasts. That is to say, it doesn't demand to be seen and it won't clash with the rest of your outfit. It blends right in, just as a bag built for urban settings should. Even still, a quality EDC backpack should be able to take a beating, so Air has built the City Pack with a medley of premium materials. As is to be expected, the outside of the bag is made from the brand's signature 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon. Along with giving the City Pack an understated, almost handsome look, this also means that it'll stand up to many a daily commute. In fact, we've been putting a City Pack through its paces for a while now, and as of yet, it's showing no signs of slowing down. Wear is pretty much non-existent at this point, but then again, we've come to expect as much from the brand's durable 1680D weave. Being based in LA, we haven't really had the chance to test the bag's weather resistance. However, we have no doubt that the Cordura construction is more than capable of keeping the bag's contents dry, especially during the occasional SoCal shower. Around the rest of the bag, you'll find that Air has used its usual mix of oversized YKK zips and sturdy Duraflex hardware. On the front of the City Pack, there's a waterproof AquaGuard closure for extra element protection, bordered by a pair of handy pull tabs to facilitate smoother operation. At the top of the bag, Air has fitted a smaller locking zipper and a soft padded pocket for keeping more critical carry secure. Above the water bottle pocket and at the front of the shoulder strap, there's a chunky D-ring for attaching carabiners and other accessories. Of course, being an airbag, there has to be a magnetic fastener somewhere. In this case, it features front and center on the removable adjustable sternum strap. Sure, these buckles are pretty commonplace nowadays, but we especially like them in applications where a more traditional design might lead to pinching. Like many bags on the market, Air has outfitted the City Pack with an integrated luggage pass-through that allows for easy hard case attachment. Simply slip it over the handle and slide it down to mount on your roller bag. Add to that a pair of padded seatbelt style grab handles, one to the top and one to the side, to ensure confident handling, and you've got a bag that's packed full of user-friendly functionality. Regardless of how you stow your City Pack then, it's easy to grab and get moving. Unzip the City Pack, and you're immediately struck by just how many places it has to store things. It may measure a compact 14 liters in storage capacity, but Air has really managed to max out the bag's organizational potential. Inside the main zippered compartment, you'll find a laptop pocket that comes with room for up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Lined with a soft woven material and suspended with a false bottom, it offers plenty of padding to protect your device from drops and bumps. Adjacent, there's a stretchy divider for stashing things like tablets, notebooks, and magazines should you feel so inclined. Even with these items though, the compartment offers more than enough room to stuff a small organizer, like the Air Tech Kit, and a light jacket. The most innovative feature, however, has to be the hidden tracker sleeve. Capable of fitting an Apple AirTag or a tiled tracking device, it allows you to keep tabs on your pack should it ever go missing. But it doesn't stop there. Within the secondary compartment, the City Pack features organizational options aplenty. At the bottom, it comes with a pair of elasticated pockets that are perfect for holding bulky items like hard drives. Above, you'll find a series of stretchy dividers for notebooks and pens, as well as a mesh pouch for keeping track of charging banks and smaller cables. Hell, even with a 100-watt MacBook charger stuffed into the bottom of the compartment, the pack provides more than enough space to stow a pair of full-size over-ear headphones behind the zippered sleeve. We topped things off with a large protein bar, but we're confident that you could fit more inside if you needed to. As if that wasn't enough, the City Pack comes with a small pocket out front, secured with a YKK AquaGuard zipper and built with an integrated lanyard clip. It offers a quick and convenient way to access those items you may need at a moment's notice, like keys and hand sanitizer, for instance. Of course, no EDC backpack would be complete without a way to carry water. In the case of the City Pack, Air has fitted the bag with an elasticated side pocket that can expand to accommodate bottles of all shapes and sizes. Rounded out by a secure, soft-lined top pocket, great for easily damaged items like sunglasses, the result is a pack that offers everything you need to take control of your carry. We filled the bag with everything we'd need for a day out, and it still had plenty of pockets to spare. Beyond being exceptional organizational pieces, Air's packs are also incredibly comfortable to wear, especially in the case of the City Pack. In practice, this is because the bag features a unique, contoured back panel that's designed to curve with your shoulders for a more ergonomic fit. Where other bags might hang away from your body and thus bounce against your lower back, the City Pack instead stays put, hugging your torso. And because it comes with some vented mesh panels, it's still plenty cool to wear. Strap-wise, the City Pack sports some of the most generous padding you'll find, especially in a bag of this size. Made from a combination of 1680D Cordura and plushy mesh, they come with beefy Duraflex buckles and durable seatbelt-like nylon webbing. Accordingly, it takes just a quick tug on each strap to have the bag adjusted, no awkward fumbling necessary. And, because they come with a pair of elasticated length keepers, it's easy to gather the excess so that the bag doesn't become a tangled mess. The magnetic sternum strap is also highly adjustable, meaning you can slide it up and down, or remove it entirely such that it actually sits across your chest where it should. Air launched its City collection in order to offer a streamlined, urban-ready alternative to its larger, more feature-full silhouettes. Based on our time spent with the City Pack, we can wholeheartedly say that the brand has succeeded in its directive. For even though the bag fills out a tad smaller than some of the competition, it's leaps and bounds ahead of the pack when it comes to things like build quality, organization, and on-body comfort. That is to say, with its tough 1680D Cordura construction, dependable Duraflex hardware, and ergonomically designed shoulder straps, the City Pack is sure to offer you years of reliable service. And because it's abounding with pockets in each and every one of its compartments, it's a bag that you can reach for without any doubt that it'll hold all your carry. A sleek, minimalist option fit for the most discerning of EDC enthusiasts, the City Pack is a 100% buy in our book.